myself is Amit. So I just introduce actually this is a great day for me to just give the little bit brief descriptions about my kitchen, and I'm very happy and I'm very pleased with the service provided by the Hasan company, and special thanks to Mr. Dharmendra who just built this kitchen. Actually I want the kitchen which should be actually I was thinking the unique kitchen, and I'm very thankful to Mr. Dharmendra. See, just they built the kitchen which I was looking. This is the epoxy kitchen. The benefit of the epoxy kitchen is that it is easily washable, and second thing, even though you can wash by anything, by surf or any detergent, and you may say that this is even you can put the acid also on this epoxy coated plate. There is no harm. So yeah, see the kitchen, my kitchen, it's my green kitchen. This is the one container, means you may say that is to keep for the big vessels, and this one is the bottle basket. Yeah, this is the partition basket. You can use for the multiple purpose. It's up to you how you are going to use it. And this is the again to keep the big vessels like the pressure cookers or the pans, fry pans, etc. You may put it here. And this is the cup and saucer basket. And this is the disc basket where you keep all the discs. This place you may say is unique because we want to utilize this space. So this space we use to keep the cylinders. Even though you can put more than 2 cylinders, that enough space is there. So it's up to you, means how you are going to use it. But in my, I am keeping 2 cylinders here. This is the basket to keep the big vessels. This is the one more basket for the same purpose, keep the big vessels like the pressure cookers, fry pans, etc. So my kitchen combination, actually myself and my wife, we just want a combination of ivory and maroon, and this looks very nice. Now I am just going to explain this. See this. This is the means that space is divided into the 4 parts, and again you may use for the multiple purpose. And same 2 more. So all are the epoxy coated, and even in this epoxy coated you may see this too much of shining you may see, and I think it's visible for you people also. And even though you can see my image also. Now it's over, I am happy, and again I am just going to give the special thanks to Mr. Dharmendra, to his Hasan company, which means fulfill my dreams. I want the unique kitchen which I got. Thanks.